Thank you very much. I want to make it clear that we in the Southeast, we are capable and ready to deliver Mr. President, President Bola and Tinubu to of power. This time around, the strategy is on ground. The people are aware of the government, the president's policies, and we have charged our people, we charged our grassroots mobilizers to make sure that we teach the gospel of Mr. President, take it to the grassroots, and make sure that we deliver Mr. President from 2027. It is very, very sure and genuine that we are going to give Mr. President a very resounding vote in the South and across the states. Every stakeholder here in the forum has been charged to go back to their states and galvanize the grassroots of Mr. President. So we are sure and we are confident that we are going to produce 13 million votes for Mr. President from 2027. For his economic reform that he has brought for us as a people, Mr. President has done so much for us by restructuring the economy of Nigeria. We want to say that we are grateful for Mr. President for such a reform. We want to talk about the security challenges that we have been facing in Nigeria. Ever since Mr. President assumed office, Mr. President has really done so well in making sure that the security of life and property is being guaranteed. We are facing serious challenges both in the southeast, southwest, but ever since Mr. President assumed office, security challenges have been tackled. We want to thank him for protecting our internal security. We want to also thank Mr. President for the agricultural empowerment he has been doing so far. The agricultural sector has been doing so well. Our production these days are at a higher peak. We are exporting currently across the nation, and that is courtesy of Mr. President. We want to say thank you, Mr. President, for doing such. As such, we want to say that as a forum, we have come together, having seen what Mr. President has done, his giant stride, his achievement in the youth constituency and beyond. We have resolved as a house to endorse Mr. President come 2027 general election. And the house on your mandate, we shall